In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pin on Facebook Messenger. Alright, so I'm starting off by opening up Facebook, and once it loads, I'm right here on the main screen. From here, I'm going to look for the messenger icon, which is usually up at the top of the screen. It looks like a little chat bubble, so I'll go ahead and click on that. Once I click it, my messages start to show up and I can see all my recent conversations. Now from here, I'm going to select a contact, so I'll just scroll a little and tap on one of the conversations I want to open. Alright, now that I'm inside the chat, I can see all the messages between me and this person. So what I'm going to do next is find a specific chat message that I want to pin. I'll just scroll through the conversation a bit until I see the message I want to keep at the top or make easier to find later. Okay, I found the message I want, so now I'm going to interact with it. I'll go ahead and tap on the message to bring up more options. Once I do that, I'm looking for the three dot icon, so I'll tap on that to open up additional actions for this message. Now that the menu is open, I'm going to look for the option that says pin. It should be listed there along with other options, so I'll go ahead and tap on pin. And just like that, the message gets pinned. Now it's easier to access and won't get lost in the rest of the conversation. So if you ever need to highlight an important message or keep something easy to find, you can just follow this same process. Open Messenger, go into a chat, select the message, tap the three dots and hit pin. And that's pretty much it. That's how you create a pin on Facebook Messenger.